Sup y'all, today we're doing a fidget review like I said last video. I said in last video that this vid was going to be about fidgets, and I've got my bag full of fidgets right here. Right there. We're going to start with this one. We got a squishy gaming controller. That's one of my favourites. We got a stretchy banana. A squishy stretchy banana. We got this poppet watch. We got a poppet watch. We got this giant crusher. What else do we got? Oh yeah, we got this squishy stressed pineapple. And then up next we got a timer. Colour timer. Like a flip timer. And yeah, I think that's about it for fidgets, y'all. I think that's about it. Oh, I got this little thing too that makes a noise. But yeah, that's it. So sub, share, don't forget to turn on notifications, and that's it for today, y'all. See you next time.